needs to calm. Ignore how messy the cage is. He needs to. Don't bite me. You need to calm down. You need to calm down, dude. Oscar, come here. Come here, Oscar. Come here, stop. Right, are you good? You good, mate? Don't bite me, don't you dare think of it. You mad? What are you doing? What are you doing? No. Okay. Yeah, okay. Oh, lucky. Are you scared of phones? I'm scared of you. Don't do it to me, please. Friends.